Most manufacturing processes assemble products, but some do the opposite. They break them down into components. Think of meat processing, recycling, or woodworking industries. Out of the box, Dynamics 365 Business Central does not support product disassembly. That's why we created the Disassembly app, an extension that makes it possible. The app allows you to efficiently break down items into components, to reuse materials, recover parts, or store them individually in the warehouse. It tracks the cost of each component and integrates it directly into Dynamics 365 Business Central. Here are the main benefits. Calculate every measurable component in your operations. Manage production more effectively, reducing waste. Run simulations and create detailed action plans. Avoid unforeseen costs and stay prepared for market changes. Disassembly app, the smart solution for reverse manufacturing. Contact us to request your free demo.